Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide, I will show you how to fix packet loss error in Valorant game. So if you are also into the same error and looking for fixes, then go through this video guide and follow the methods. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to check Valorant servers. You simply need to check the Riot Game service status page by going through the link that I have provided in the description. Go through it and check if there is any downtime. Or even you can go to the official Twitter page and check if there is any downtime for Valorant or from the right client. If yes, then wait for some time and then try to launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, the second solution suggested is to check your internet connection. For that, you should check whether your system is getting proper internet connection or not. Or you can run a speed test, or you can also switch to a wired connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then go for mobile data or do vice versa, and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, the next solution suggested is to reset or restart your router. You should also once restart your router and then try to play the game and check if the issue is fixed now. The next solution suggested is to update network drivers. For that, you simply go to the search bar, look for device manager over here, or simply type device manager. Then go below and expand network adapters over here. Here select it and then click on update driver option and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will update your network adapters, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is fixed. The next solution suggested is to change DNS server, so that you simply first go to control panel, open control panel over here, then click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center. After that, click on change adapter settings. After that, click on change adapter settings. Here select your Wi-Fi and right click on it and then click on properties. After that, click on internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP v4 and then click on properties. Here you need to click on use the following DNS server address. Here you need to write 8.8.8.8 and then you need to write 8.8.4.4 and after that click on OK, and now check if the error is resolved. If not, you need to reset connection settings, but before that you need to enter the command prompt that is given in the description. Simply go to the search option and search for command prompt. Here paste the codes that I have given in the description. Once you do it, after that go to settings, then click on network and internet. Here go below and click on advanced network settings. After that click on network reset, and from here you simply need to click on reset now option. After this, restart your PC once or it will automatically restart, and after that try to launch the game and check if packet loss issue is resolved in Valorant or not. The next solution suggested is to create a custom port for Valorant. So here I have provided the Valorant ports. Simply type this in TCP, and in UDP you should need to type this code, and after that check if the issue is fixed. If not, the next solution suggested is to close all background tasks or applications. So what you need to do is simply go to the task manager over here and then under processes check which app is of no use or consuming high resources. Simply select it and right click on it and then click on end task. Do this for all those apps that are of no use, and after closing all the background application that is of no use, now launch the game and try to play it and check if the error is resolved. If not, the last solution suggested is to contact Riot Game support. So finally, when nothing works, then it's time to contact the Riot Game support. So you need to submit a support ticket. There you enter all the details you are facing about the issue, including your ISP network setup and what are the methods you have followed till now to fix the issue. After that, submit your ticket and wait for some time until their response comes to you. So these all are some of the best fixes suggested to fix packet loss issue in Valorant game. So that's all for now. Thank you.